Hello students, welcome to online lectures of Kids Planet High School. This lecture is for class 3, subject English, lesson Go and Come. Let's begin. Once there was a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. Students, there was a little boy who lived in a small simple house, that is cottage. We normally see a cottage in a village. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Different kinds of plants grew in the garden, and so there was a lot of work to do there. The plants had to be given manure from time to time. Students, manure is a material which is mixed with soil to help plants grow. So the plants had to be given manure from time to time. They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. Students, prune is to remove dead and unwanted parts of plants to help them grow. As you can see, the man is cutting and removing the orange dead parts of plants. We need to cut and remove dead and unwanted parts of plants at the right time to help the plants grow properly and nicely. The garden needed weeding and cleaning. Students, in the garden, there were some troublesome and unwanted plants which needs to be removed and cleaned. To remove the plants which trouble us and to remove the plants which we do not want is called weeding. So the garden also needed weeding and cleaning. Students, as there was a lot of work like cleaning, pruning, weeding and giving manure to the plants, everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. Everybody helped in keeping the garden clean and healthy. The boy had a very strict uncle who came to stay with them for few days. The uncle had come to live with the little boy and his family for few days. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. Uncle thinks that it is good to do hard work and to follow rules and system without breaking them. One day, he saw that the little boy was playing around in the house. Uncle said to little boy, "Little boy, you would be far better at work. Your garden needs weeding sadly. Go now and weed it like a good child." Uncle saw the little boy playing, so he thought that it would be better for him to go and do some work in the garden. He told him that there are some unwanted plants in the garden and so he should go and remove them. To which the little boy said, "I can't do it." Uncle said, "Oh yes, you can." Little boy said, "Well, I don't want to, not just now." Little boy is saying that he would do the weeding afterwards, but just now he doesn't want to go and work in the garden. Still Uncle said, "But you must." Uncle is saying that you must go and do it now only. Uncle is saying, "Don't be naughty. Don't be a bad boy, but go at once. Go right now and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go." Here, Uncle is ordering the little boy to go and do the work now. But the little boy wants to play a little longer. The little boy is telling uncle that he will go and weed the garden after some time. But uncle is not ready to listen and he continuously orders the little boy to go and weed the garden. The uncle was himself a hard-working man. He liked to do hard work. After ordering the little boy, he went away to carry on to continue with his own work in another room. But the little boy sat still. The little boy did not move. The little boy felt that his uncle was being unfair. He felt that the uncle was not behaving right with him. His chin began to wobble. His chin began to shake. It happens when we are sad and about to cry. He had a lump in his throat, a tight feeling in the throat because he was sad. His eyes welled up. His eyes were filled with tears. The boy was ready to weed, but not right now. He wanted some time. But the uncle was quite strict with the little boy and ordered him to go right now. This made the little boy unhappy. At the same time, the little boy's mother came in the room. She saw the little boy sitting upset. She asked the little boy, "What's the matter, little boy? Why do you look so unhappy?" She is asking the little boy, "What happened? What is the problem? Why are you looking so unhappy, so sad?" Little boy said, "Uncle told me to weed the garden." Mother said, "Oh, what fun that will be. It would be so much fun to weed. I love to weed. And it is such a fine day. Such a beautiful and nice day. Can I come and help you to weed?" To which the boy said, "Why, yes." Mother said, "Come, let's do it now." Students, here mother is kindly and politely asking the boy to weed the garden. She is also saying that she loves to weed. And it is such a nice and beautiful day. And she is also ready to help the little boy in weeding the garden. Mother is saying, "Come, let's do it now," which is very gentle and nice way. But uncle said, "Go and do it now." Both mother and uncle wanted the little boy to weed the garden. But they both said it differently, in a different way. Both were not wrong, but the way uncle told was little harsh for the little boy. And the way mother told and tried to help made the little boy feel better. And he quickly got ready to do the work. The boy got up readily, quickly, and went outside with his mother. The two of them, little boy and the mother, weeded the garden beautifully and enjoyed a very good time. They had a very good time working, chatting, that is talking, and laughing together. It was possible to do it before if uncle would have asked nicely and politely. Telling, "Go do it now," made the little boy sad. But telling, "Come, let's do it now," made the little boy happy and also made him complete the work. So students, we must always try to speak politely and nicely with everyone. This was your lesson. Go and come.